Hi folks, Russell Wright from themezoom.com, and today I'm going to give you a little treat. We're going to talk about an added benefit of one of the many features that are in the new domain website studio, which is the ThemeZoom Kraken TZ Domain Studio Pro. What this is a project management system that allows you to swallow your market whole, as we've been talking about for the last 2 or 3 years. As you probably remember, you can create a cluster, add projects, create market discovery using the Kraken or the last keyword tool with just the click of a tab. You'll be able to use Kraken and the last keyword tool in a context of step-by-step. You can manage your silos, you create your DNA and your DNA strands, find out the total search market value of all the money and clicks and traffic in a market across multiple keywords, themes, long tails, and vertical market keywords. You can use a promotional blueprint, create your promotional blueprint, instruct your team, and then outsource it all managed through the incredibly friendly user interface with the Domain Web Studio Pro. You can manage your web graphics department, your development team, your network team, your content team, your SEO team, your syndication team, your backlinking team, and your analytics team, all using highly refined macros. And we're adding more and more features every day. It's an incredibly exciting project. And when you get to the content team, which is right here, which is the most complex and difficult process to manage multiple contents across anywhere from 2 to 200 websites, we've created a little system for you to help you manage that. And we've even given you the ability to write incredibly good copy and ad copy using the Persuasion Equation concept by Jay Fortune. Jim Fortune is a great neurolinguistics programmer who's taught us the mental obstacles. You have to actually be able to close your sales on your website, not just create a lot of websites out there and rank for keywords. There has to be the action, and you have to task that action. Once you understand how these mental obstacles work, which is lack of time, and there's a lack of interest, and lack of perceived difference, these are the way you have to distinguish yourself and your ad copy. There's also a lack of belief that you have to deal with when the client reads, or the customer or the visitor reads your ad copy. You have to give the specific reasons why. You have to provide believable sources, and there's a whole series of mental obstacles, the lack of decision. You have to get them to actually decide. That's an obstacle for them to take action. And so what you need to do when you're writing copy inside Domain Web Studio is we've gone ahead and set that up for you. You can actually drop down and let the system know which ad copy this is for, or what type of content you're writing. Is it a primary site article? Is it an inner ring blog article? Is it an article directory article? Because remember, our whole system allows you to create a massive empire. So you have to task it and let it know what you're doing. And then we've created your target chunks. You can define what URL this is for, create your headline using our headline skill sets. You can run your cursor over any one of these. It'll tell you all about where you can go to research these. If you want to learn how to write a headline, you'll be able to go do that. And then of course these copy chunks are all laid out with their own WYSIWYG editor right next to all the root terms and synonyms that you've actually researched previously using Kraken domain clustering, or theme clustering, and the last keyword tool, latent semantic indexing. And then these nice copy chunks are just laid all out for you as a reminder, so that whoever it is you're outsourcing within your system to write the copy within your content team will just be able to go right down the process and write the actual ad copy when you're trying to create copy that sells and gets over those obstacles. Now this is going to be really handy because most people don't have a template chunk, but all these chunks are there. It'll remind you when you're writing your copy to provide your proof, and even reminds you what that is. Okay. How to use demonstration. You can go ahead and insert your video and video URL in there. And when you're done, you're going to acknowledge all the things that is guaranteed to close excellent copy. And you will have been reminded each step along the way to add your testimonials and the rest. Now, you don't have to include all these, but Copy That Sells does provide that. You don't have to have an infinitely long scrolling internet marketing sales page to do that. But almost nobody writes copy in that function while also including their long tails and reminding them what tasks they're on. Okay? Remember, this is just one of the many features within the total Domain Web Studio Kraken and ThemeZoom and last keyword tool suite that will be available to you. Thank you so much. We are going to be launching within the next 30 days. We're looking at April 1st, March 15th to April 1st. Stand by because this is the largest launch that ThemeZoom has ever done. We'll see you on the inside.